Among the different categories of mutual funds, which is the best one for an investor? Financial expert Sandeep will share his views with us now.
So typically, if you would have to ask me this question, one category which is best for investor, again, it depends on the investment objective and risk appetite of a person. But personally, I think FlexiCap is one category because it is given the complete advantage to the investor. If the market is undervalued on the large cap, he can have a large cap exposure. If he thinks that there is a undervaluation in the mid and small cap, he can increase the allocation towards the mid and small cap, and it gives you basically the flexibility to choose any stock in that particular kind of category. And the second, which I will say, is say the hybrid kind of products, because typically what happens is every investor has to do an asset allocation. And when we talk about asset allocation, it's about dividing your assets between equity and debt, and at times it becomes difficult to rebalance those assets. So what balance fund does is it is automatically rebalancing, and there are fund managers and AMCs which follow a model based kind of an investing, where the model would be suggesting that what kind of an equity level that the product should be having, and balance it is being decided into the gold products or the debt products. So I think these are two important categories which an investor can look at it. A conservative kind of an investor, probably more towards the balance oriented products, and aggressive kind of products, the equity oriented products.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.